Hello, my name is Adilson Muzokola, and this is my cybersecurity awareness chatbot implemented as a WPF application. In part 2, I translated all features from the console version into a graphical interface while adding additional functionalities. The bot plays a voice greeting when the application starts. This improves user engagement and makes the experience more interactive.
Hello, welcome to the Cybersecurity Awareness Bot. I'm here to help you stay safe online.
Here is the graphical user interface of the chatbot. At the top, we have a title label. A large black area is a rich text box where the conversation appears. At the bottom, we have a text box for user input and a send button to submit messages. Just like in part 1, I included the AC Art logo. In the graphical user interface, it is displayed at the top of the chat window using a monospace font, consolas, so that the art is aligned correctly. The chatbot engine is implemented in a separate class called chatbot engine, following object-oriented programming principles. The engine uses keyword detection to identify topics like password, phishing, VPN, malware. The bot handles empty or invalid input gracefully and provides a default response if it doesn't understand the user's message. Sentiment detection, where the bot responds differently to words like worried or curious and gives a supportive message, helping to personalize the response. Memory storage, using a dictionary to remember user preferences. For example, if the user says, "I like privacy," the bot remembers it. Later, if the user asks, "What do you remember?" the bot recalls the interest and responds accordingly. Let's say if a user types something like a 1 or like a word like Apple. Obviously, it's not programmed. The chatbot is not programmed to answer those things. So it will rather give this answer so that the user can know that they have to ask cybersecurity topics. So when I run the chatbot, it initializes the main window method. It creates a chatbot, calls the show AC logo method, calls the play greeting method, and this is what is inside the play greeting method. I declared sound player method called player, which is gonna locate the wave sound in my computer, and then it's gonna play the wave sound. If it doesn't locate the wave sound, it's gonna display this message instead. Voice greeting could not be played. And then I declared the show AC logo method, which is gonna display this AC art logo when the program starts. Then I call the method send button, which will store what the user typed in the variable input. If the input variable is empty or null, it will display this message: "Please enter a message." Otherwise, it will display the message that the user typed in the window, and the bot will generate a response based on the input if it's not empty or null. This is a helper method that updates your chat display in a WPF app. It takes some text and adds it to the user interface element, likely a rich text box. For the designs of the app, at the top, I added a title to clearly identify the chatbot. I use a bold dark blue font so it stands out. Chatbot. The main rich text box shows the conversation history. I chose a black background and lime text. The text box is where the user types messages. The send button is placed next to it so users can submit messages easily. This layout is simple and intuitive. I arranged the controls using a grid with 3 rows, title, chat area, and input sections. This keeps the interface clean and user-friendly. So if I tell the chatbot I like privacy, it tells me, "Got it, I'll remember you are interested in privacy." And if I tell the chatbot, "What do you remember?" It tells me, you told me you are interested in privacy. So also to test another feature, I'll say, I am worried about phishing. It tells me it's understandable to feel worried. I'm here to help you stay safe. And if I enter an empty space as a message, it tells me please enter a message. So this is for the input validation. So pretty much this is the features I have in this chatbot that is interactive with the user. Thank you for watching this demonstration of my cybersecurity awareness chatbot.